Good morning everyone. I Gurpreet Kaur again welcome you all to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online classes. I am here to teach you computers. So let's start. Again we will continue with the same chapter, that is chapter number 5, mouse and input device. But the topics that we are going to cover today is mouse button actions. The topics that we are going to cover today is mouse button actions. Okay, so let's start. Before that, I want to tell you that before that we have already learned about the different types of mouses, and we have already learned that there are two buttons on the mouse. So today we are going to learn about that, how that two buttons work. What are the actions that are performed by that buttons, that two mouse buttons. So let's start. Mouse buttons are used to perform the following clicking actions. So first is clicking, second is double clicking, third is right clicking, fourth action is dragging and dropping. Fourth action is dragging and dropping. So let's start. So first action that we are going to learn is clicking. What is the clicking? So clicking means when we are pressing left mouse button once. It is also known as click. So clicking means pressing left mouse button once. Once means one time. When we are pressing the left mouse button one time, that means this is known as a click. And this action is used to select an object on the screen. This action is used to select an object on the screen. That means if we want to select any object, if we want to open that object, before that we have to select that object. So if we want to select any object on the screen, then we are using the left mouse button once. Then that means at that time we are using just clicking. See here in this figure, we have clicked on this PC. Basically this is the selected object. You see the color of this is different. It is highlighted instead of all these 6 icons. This one is highlighted. That means this object is selected. This object is selected by using the clicking. This is first action. Second action is double clicking. Second action is double clicking. Double means 2 times. So name already by name we are already understood that clicking we have already done. What is clicking? Double clicking means clicking done twice. Clicking done twice. So let's start. So here it is written. Quickly pressing the left mouse button twice. So that means double clicking. It is called double clicking. Why we are using this action? So this action is used to open an item, object or a program. This section is used to open an item, object or a program. In the click, we have already clicked on this PC. That is a single click. But what if we done double click? If we press double click on this PC, after that this window will open. After double clicking, this window will open. Basically, if we want to open that file, or if we want to open that icon, if we want to open that object, then we have to double click on that. And double click is basically pressing left mouse button twice. Double clicking is basically pressing left mouse button twice. How many times? Twice. Twice means 2 times. Double click sound is there. That is double clicking. Okay. So now the third action that we are going to learn is the right clicking. Third action is right clicking. So we know what is clicking. We know what is double clicking. Now its name already understood. By name we already understood that right clicking means we have to do the click on the right side. Okay. So it means pressing the right mouse button once. Clicking means single time. So when we press the right button of mouse once means one time. That is basically the right clicking. Why we do this action? This action helps to open a list of options on the screen. This action helps to open a list of options on the screen. Okay, the commands open after right click is known as a shortcut menu or context menu. We call this menu that we get, that the commands or the menu that we get after right clicking, that is known as a shortcut menu or context menu. See here, it is the context or shortcut menu. How we will do this? On the screen, if we want to open this shortcut menu, what we have to do? We have to open our computer, and on any blank area, if we right click on any blank area, if we do the right click, we will get this type of window, pop-up window. We get this type of pop-up window. This gives us the properties or different type of things by which we can work. Okay, or if we right click on a particular object, like if we right click on this PC, then what we will get? We will get all the properties relating to that this PC icon. कि उस this PC के अंदर जो भी उसकी properties होंगी, that will come after clicking on that icon. Okay. So basically right clicking means pressing the right mouse button once. Now last action number 4 is dragging and dropping. What is dragging and dropping? Drag means we want to move something from one place to another, that is dragging. Dropping means if we drop that thing on a particular place, that means that is dropping. Like your parents are dropping you to the school. आपके parents आपको स्कूल में ड्रॉप करते हैं ना, आपको स्कूल में छोड़ते हैं. बेसिकली किसी चीज़ को वहाँ जाके छोड़ना किसी लोकेशन पे, that is dropping. Drag means if we push something, if we drag something, किसी चीज़ को खींचना, that is basically dragging. So this action helps to move an object or item from one place to another on the screen. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे किसी चीज़ को move करना on the screen, that is basically a dragging and dropping. Like see in this figure, this PC, we have clicked on this PC and we want to drag this. So how we will going to drag? For dragging, what we have to do? We have to click on this. We have to select this icon which we want to drag. Then we have to press left button. And hold that button. हमें left button को press करना है और उसे press करके ही रखना है. And by pressing, we will drag this item here. And जब हम उसकी लोकेशन पे पहुंच गए, when we place at a particular location where we want to drop that icon, that means at that time we have to drop. We have to release the button. We have to release the left button. Then that item will be dropped here. Now see, it is here, and after dragging and dropping, it will come here. We will change the location. We will move an object from one place to another. This is basically dragging and dropping. I hope it's clear that we have learned 4 actions, that is clicking, double clicking, right clicking, and after that dragging and dropping. For the further topics, stay tuned with us. Okay, bye everyone. See you in the next PPT. Okay, bye.